In this video, we're going to learn how to create ordered lists using HTML. An ordered list is a list of items which are ordered using letters or numbers. Alright, so let's go ahead and create our first example. So the syntax is pretty easy. We're going to use the OL tag for ordered lists. And then inside the tags, we're going to have our list items. Okay, so let's go again for a list of European capitals, starting with Madrid, and then Paris, and then London. Okay, so this is an ordered list, and by default the list is, or the list items are ordered using numbers. Okay, so there is an attribute we can use with the ordered lists in the open tag. It's called the type, and there are a few options we can choose from. So if we choose one, it will give us the default ordering using numbers. Okay, we can try other types. So if we try capital A, it will order the list using capital letters. And if we try small a, it will order it using small letters. And also if we choose capital I, then it's going to use big Roman numbers. All right. But if you use small I, it's going to order our lists using small Roman numbers. So that's the syntax of ordered lists.